In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly add a quick view feature to your WooCommerce store. This tool makes shopping faster by letting customers preview product details without opening a new page. And it's one of the easiest upgrades you can make. Let's get started. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and open the plugins section. Select Add New and search for a plugin called Quick View for WooCommerce. Once it appears, install it and then activate it so the feature becomes available across your store. After activation, head to your WooCommerce settings where you'll now see a Quick View section. Begin by enabling the Quick View button so it appears on your product listings. You can choose whether the button sits before or after the Add to Cart button depending on what fits your layout best. Next, adjust the design settings to match your brand. You can customize the button label, colors, and even choose a pop-up animation style for the preview window. These small changes help maintain a consistent and polished look across your store. Then decide what information you'd like to display inside the Quick View pop-up. Most stores include the product image, a short description, price, and the Add to Cart option, giving shoppers just enough detail to make quick decisions. If you want to fine-tune things further, many plugins offer optional settings like disabling Quick View on mobile devices or adding custom CSS for advanced styling. Once everything looks good, save your changes and visit your store to confirm the Quick View button is showing properly. Test the pop-up to make sure it loads smoothly and displays the right details. And that's it. Your WooCommerce store now has a professional Quick View feature that makes browsing faster and can boost conversions. Thanks for watching and happy selling.